No matter what the job is, digging, excavating, loading, or grading, the buckets, blades, and tools on your machines take the work head-on. Linkage pins and linkage pin assemblies are critically important to keeping machine operation fast, smooth, and precise. Failure of a linkage pin can cause unexpected downtime and have a serious impact on your bottom line. A general rule of thumb: unexpected breakdowns can lead to an almost 3% drop in profit for every 1% drop in productivity. That's why we design CAT linkage pins and pin assemblies for outstanding strength and resistance to wear from abrasive and high-load conditions. Because they perform better and last longer, you get high productivity at lower costs. Let's take a closer look at CAT linkage pins and assemblies.
Our pins are specifically built for each joint that it goes to. The specifications are tighter, the tolerances are tighter than any one of our competitors are able to offer.
Key design advantages of genuine CAT pins and assemblies include outstanding strength and fatigue life. By optimizing the heat treat, CAT pins have greater hardened depth than competitive pins. This makes them stronger and resistant to high-load conditions. Industry-best manufacturing creates extremely smooth surface finishes so that CAT pins are highly resistant to abrasive wear. The strength and surface design of CAT pins provides exceptional protection from damage like galling, which can lead to poor performance and failure. On machines where chrome is required, outstanding chrome thickness prevents damage to the pin's surface, resulting in longer life. And you can count on CAT linkage pins and assemblies to make a difference where it really counts, in the work.
Proper pin replacement with a CAT OEM pin is critical for maximum utilization of that machine, meaning less downtime, accuracy of the grade or the task that that machine is being asked to do, as well as just maximizing the revenue that that machine can provide for the customer.
Designed as a system, pins and bearings work together to maximize lubrication and prevent contamination. With greater strength than competitive pins, CAT pins are tough enough to resist crushing and extrusion under high loads. Testing shows that the hardened case depth of genuine Caterpillar pins is up to 3 times the hardness depth of competitive pins, making them stronger and more resistant to abrasive conditions. Choosing pins other than genuine CAT can have a negative impact on safety and cost control.
Competitive pins simply can't compete with CAT pins. And the reason is because they can't match our manufacturing quality and our specifications. When pins aren't as strong, they can actually bend or possibly even break, which could result in damage to the matching bearing, adding to repair costs. If the failure causes damage to other structures, downtime and costs go even higher, and the break could lead to safety issues.
You've taken a closer look at genuine CAT linkage pins and why their design and outstanding strength sets them apart from the competition. Precisely matched to each CAT machine, they are the right choice to boost your productivity and your bottom line. Don't let one of your smallest parts be your weakest link. Talk to your dealer about genuine CAT linkage pins today.